Hi parents, we're working on place value right now, and one of the new skills that your students haven't quite worked on before is how to break apart numbers, not just by ones, tens, and hundreds and thousands, but to actually pay attention to how many tens make up a number if all you have are tens and ones. And this is something new that's really confusing for a lot of them, so I wanted to share with you how I'm showing them to do it in class, so that if you wanted to work with them on that at home. We had a daily assignment. Some of them I graded, and I'm sending it back so that they can fix and return it, and of course I'll amend the grade. So before you see this come home tonight, for some of you, I just wanted to share how to actually do this at home. So here I've broken out a problem, and this is how they're used to seeing it. So the number is here, and then the book asks them to break this into into all of its place values. So if I look at this number, I'm actually going to create a place value chart here, and I'm holding my phone and writing this all at the same time. So I apologize for how messy. So we start on the right with our ones place, and in this number there are 4 ones, 0 tens, 8 hundreds, 9 thousands, 4 10,000s, and 2 100,000s. So that's pretty straightforward over here. 4 ones, 0 tens, 8 hundreds, 9 thousands, 4 10,000s, and 2 100,000s. But now look at this second example. This is a whole second problem. This is part B to this. So if I come over here, the problem is asking me for the number of thousands. So I need to trade my 100,000s and my 10,000s into this thousands place. One thing that we are showing them, or really trying to make sure that they understand, is that every place value to the left is 10 times that to the right. So 2 times 10 equals 20. Which means I can trade 200,000s for 20 10,000s. So I'm going to get rid of those because I traded it. So now I have 24 10,000s because I have the 20 that I traded plus the 4 that I had in the original number. So I have 24 10,000s. But notice they're asking for thousands. So I need to keep going. So I'm going to multiply this times 10 again, because there are 240 thousands and 24 10,000s. So I've traded. I can get rid of this and add my 240 that I traded plus the original 9 for 249,000. So now how many hundreds? 8. 8 hundreds. And how many ones? I have 0 tens, which means I have 4 ones left. Okay. Now there's a part C. Look at this as a whole new problem. So again, I'm just going to keep going because I'm looking for tens and ones. So if I multiply 249 times 10, that gives me 2,490. I'm trading my thousands for hundreds. So I'm going to get rid of this because I've traded. And now I have a total of 2,498 hundreds. But they're asking for tens, so I have to multiply again, which would be 24,980. Since I've traded, I don't have them in the hundreds place anymore. I've traded them all for tens. So over on my paper, I have 24,980 tens and 4 ones. Then last but not least, part D, if I'm counting all by ones, then I have 249,804. This is a pretty difficult concept. You know, some of us are getting it, some of us are not. So if you see this work come home and you're just trying to understand it yourself so that you can help your student, this is how it's broken down. Please feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call if you need some more help. I know, like I said, that this is new. This is a new way for me to teach this as well. Thanks, everybody.